If it wasn't for the money, cars, movies, stars, and jewels, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? You'll be loving me.
Loving you.
Wanna think you gotta know you. Living ain't easy, trust me, I know what gangsters is. Go, 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 go. Yeah, like a chiller in bad weather. I'm good, but been better on my road. Cheddar and glamorous thing. Out the stars and drip in the west wing. Cause this is how I'm living, and y'all women know the secrets on how to get it in deep. How to pray like me is the power of the that's why I got a lot of wondering, it ain't just I gotta keep the cash coming, and that's on my life. If it wasn't for the money and the things I got, she probably wouldn't like me. But I keep it in Urban, Jeffrey, quite icy. Sip Seraphim, who does it like me? And the nigga is IMC.
If it wasn't for the money, cars, movies, stars, and jewels, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? You'll be loving me.
Loving you.
How many drugs does it take to get to like status? Say a status, can't say kid. Boy had pigs, so we can show kids. But show pigs, but let's never change. Pull up in them hot cars, go about a whole body. I came from the dirt, what you want me to say? I'm at the top of the world and like a buffet. That's why I hit MIA. Shut the game down so the brothers can't play. Hell yeah, there's money, hell yeah, I act fun. Look at you like you, all the stuff in the it's no wonder why I'm still here. Said I was gone, but I'm still here. And all you that left me here, it's mighty strange how you right back here. If it wasn't for the money, cars, movies, stars, and jewels, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me?
Won't you?
Would you be calling me?
Still calling you.
You'll be loving me.
Loving you.
I wonder why you're worried about money, and why you wanna take it all from me. Honey, my life is dark, but it's lovely. Pride, cause critics, ain't that right, Kelly? Y'all don't know. Money ain't a thing, I'm in little change, and I'm fixing God. It's closest to the heart, just to live in the fortress. Revenge, new bosses, new cases, new lawyers. I'm telling you, infamous, notorious rule. You can walk a mile in my shoes. Don't forget the heart that I do. It's no wonder that I'm still here. But I was gone, but I'm still here. And all you that left me here, it's kinda funny how you right back there.
If it wasn't for the money, cars, movies, stars, and jewels, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me?
Won't
Would you still be calling me?
Still calling you.
You'll be loving me.
Loving you.
Girl, you know the deal, you gotta keep it real. I know you wanna see, I know you wanna be in my BT, running slowly. I know you wanna love, but I just wanna fuck. Hey girl, you know the deal, you gotta keep it real. I know you wanna see, I know you wanna be in my BT, running slowly. Rally rates on the shit, 21 we know. I'm a rain on no business. Really rain on no business. Rally rates on the shit, 21 we know. I'm a rain on no business. Really rain on no business. Rally rates on the shit, 21 we know. I'm a rain on no beach. Really rain on no business. Rally rates on the shit, 21 we know. I'm a rain on no beach. Really rain on no beach. I'll see I know you wanna love, but I just wanna fuck. Hey girl, you know the deal, you gotta keep it real. I know you wanna see, I know you wanna be on my BTD. I know you wanna love, but I just wanna fuck. Hey girl, you know the deal, you gotta keep it real.